We'll start a new topic today, and the topic is operators and expressions. So, what is an operator? Let me use the spotlight. What is an operator? An operator is a special symbol that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical and logical operations like addition, multiplication, division, and so on. Operators form a part of the mathematical and logical operations. And what is an expression? An expression is a combination of values, variables, and operators. A value all by itself is considered an expression, and so is a variable. So let us study Python operators. Python operators can be classified into number one, arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, and logical operators. So first, let us study arithmetic operators. So let me remove the output of all cells. This will clear the output of all cells. So arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators called. Arithmetic operators are simple operators which we have learned in mathematics. So for example, the addition operator, 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9, when I run this cell, the answer would be 14. This is simple addition operator. And this asterisk sign is called, so star sign is asterisk. This is the multiplication operator. So 5.7 multiplied by 3.7 will get the output 19.38. Then next is the exponentiation. There is power. This is 2 raised to the power 8. 2 raised to the power 8. To represent exponentiation, we use 2 asterisks. Star ani sujinagani 2 star 8 haragadi. This is 2 raised to the power 8. So 2 raised to the power 8 is 256. Then this is simple division operator. Slash is a simple division operator. 7 divided by 20. When we run this cell, we'll get 0.35. And next is the modulo division. This percentage sign is the modulo division operator. And what will it give? It will give us the remainder when 23 is divided by 14. So let us run this cell. It gives the remainder 9. So 23 divided by 14, the quotient is 1, the remainder is 9. So modulo division operator, this percentage operator, this gives us the remainder when the left-hand side is divided by the right-hand side. When the number on the left is divided by the number on the right, the remainder is given by the modulo division operator. Slash division ki symbol slash this is the floor division. So let me run this cell. Floor division. And what is floor division? Floor division is when 33 is divided by 4. What do we get? When 33 is divided by 4, we should get, so let me write it here. Let me write it here. 33 divided by 4. 33 divided by 4, shift enter. When 33 is divided by 4, we should get 8.25. But division sign slash when we use it 2 times, it is called the floor division. So 8.25 lies between the 2 integers 8 and 9. 8.25 haibasi integer ani ki marakta lay. 8 amasung 9. 8 sina kari kaure floor kaure, 9 sina ceiling kaure. So 8.25 tagi head magi head mangondagi handaba. The integer which is just less than 8.25, that is called the floor, and the integer which is just greater than 8.25, that is 9, that is called the ceiling. This is the floor operator, so it should give you 33 /4. This is a floor division operator, and it should give you 8. simple division that the 8.25 pigani and this slash it will give you the integer which is just less than the exact value. That is called a floor division. Okay, this is a simple formula. So 23//4. This will give you 8 times 4. 8 4 is 24. 24 plus 23 percentage 4. This will give you 23 again. Let me run this cell. See, somebody any number, any number, then you take the floor division by say some number, say 4. 4 in a floor division. The answer to the 4 number multiply plus 23 is the 4 but like you would remainder do that will give you the original number. So if you change 23 by any other number, say 56, this result will be 56. When you change 23 here by 56, this will give you 56. So let me remove this. Minus 23 by 4. What will be the answer? This is floor division. Floor division. Before this, let me add minus 23 by 4. Minus 23 divided by 4. Shift enter. Look here. Minus 23 divided by 4 is minus 5.75. So minus 23//4. This is the floor division. So what will be the answer? If you look at Tani.
5.
Minus 6.
Minus 5 tagadra, minus 6 tagadra.
Minus 6.
Minus 6 draw. We should run this and we should get minus 6. Because the integer which is just less than minus 5.75 is minus 6. The integer, we should consider the integer which is just less than this. Minus 6. This is the floor division. Next, when you divide by a negative number, you simply enclose that number within a parenthesis. So 10 by 4, this will give you minus 2.5. Then 1 divided by 3. When I run this, you should get 0.333333 and so on. And Python can store very large numbers. So when I execute this cell, it will give us the same number. I see a large over number. I'm a Python run to have to show the cost like that. Next, A equals 10, B equals 2, C equals A plus B. A is in a 10 order, B is in a 2 order, C equal to A plus B. How do you print C? Katarni. What will be the output? The answer will be 12. Because A high variable is the Hubsel liver numbers is 10, B high variable is the Hubsel liver numbers is 2, and C is A plus B. Next, C star equals B. C star equals B. Understand if you want to understand this is actually shortcut never shorthand notation never got. This is a shorthand notation. C equals C star B. C star equals B. C is data B in a power castle and assign that value to C. Here C is 12, B B is 2, so 12 to the power 2, 12 square 144. 144 is C the Hapsala. Aduna C the Jeremy 12 value is 144 override the and when I run this cell, I should get 144. 144. Okay. So the last these two are examples of assignment operators. Arithmetic operators assignment operators assignment operators in the example study say for example, assume variable A holds the value 10 and variable B holds the value 20. A variable is a value 10 yawen khalasi. B value variable is a value 20 yawen khalasi. Ado orike this yang ase. Equal to have assigns the values from the right side operands to the left side operand. So they equal to say for example, A equals 10, having meaning the assign values from the right side operands to the left side operand. Right side A is in a 10 operand equal to an operator. Operator in nakan operand. So right side value see left side operand to option ba. That is the assignment operator. So for example, C equals A plus B. This statement this statement assigns the value of A plus B into the variable C. Plus equal to add n, add n. It adds right hand operator to the left hand of operand. Sorry, it adds right hand operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. C plus equal to A. C plus A equals C. So C is the A. You add A to the value C and then answer to you assign that answer to C. So C plus equal to A C equal to C plus A. So minus C minus equal to A C equal to C minus A. C star equal to A C equal to C star A. C slash equal to A. This is equal to, this means C equals C divided by A. So what does it mean? You divide C by A, you'll get some answer. Now you assign that answer to the value C. C the absolute high. Swine modulo operator C percentage equal A C equals C percentage A. Among the example I'm discuss C star star equals A. This means C equal to C star star A. C slash slash A floor division. C slash slash equal to A. You divide C by the floor division operator by A. You divide C using the floor division operator by A, and the answer you assign to the variable C. C assignment operator ki shorthand even example idea load say for example A equals 5. A equals 5. A plus equals 7. So what will be the final value of A? When I run this cell, what will be the output that I get?
12.
12 A plus equal to 7 A equals A plus 7 A the 7 law answer to A so this should be 12. This should give you 12. Now the value of A is 12. Look at this. A star star equal to 2. What will be the answer?
A power 2.
A to the power 2. And what is the value of A here? A is 12 here.
12. 144.
So it will be A star star equal to 2 means A equal to
12 square.
A star star 2. 12 square. So this will be 144. 144. Simple idea. Next, the comparison operators or relational operators. These operators compare the value on either side of them and decide the relation among them. So assume value A holds the value 10 and variable B holds the value 20. A is 10 B is 20 so equal to double equal to sign. Equal to if the value of the two operands are equal, then the condition becomes true. Equal to have the magi left lay baduga right lay baduga ani do manaraga di ko the pangadur answer is kino true never true boolean value never that boolean value will be true. Now if the values of the two operands are equal, then the condition becomes true. So the condition check never a equals b. A the value yawi a is 10, b is 20. So a the 10 ga 20 ga manabra manade. So this is not true. So that a equals 10, b equals 20. Let me run this cell and let me insert one more cell. Number one, a equal to b is not true. Look here, we have assigned 10 to a and 20 to b. So let us try this first example. A equal to Anirudh equal to b. Let me run this cell by clicking by typing Alt and Enter. Alt Enter keys a press tore. Result pire. So A is not 10 or B is not 20 or A equal to B. Is A equal to B? Is the value stored in A equal to the value stored in B? The answer is false. Next, so the exclamation mark equal to not equal to. So now A exclamation mark B. If the values of the two operands are not equal, then the condition becomes true. So let us try it here. A exclamation mark equal to B. A ga B ga manadabra haiba. A ga B ga manade chumbra lanbra hanginebka. A ga B ga manade chumbra lanbra summi. So when I run this, what will be the output? True or false?
True.
A is in a 10 ni, B is in a 20 ni. Aduri A ga B ga manadre haibinebka. So the output will be true.
True.
True. Sina A ga B ga manadabra and check to whenever. Sina manabra and check to whenever. Adana manabra and check to one equal to an anirag. Manadabra and check to one exclamation mark equal to. Next thing I see greater than. See greater than. A greater than B. A greater than B. A na B degi chawra. A is 10, B is 20. Is A greater than B? No. Natra. No, natra. Sida yang asi. Sida yang asi stala. Pagi yang asi. A greater than B. So let me run this cell. Run. The answer is false because A the value is in 10, B the value is in 20. So A greater than B is false. Now let us try less than. A less than B. A less than B. A less than B. When I run this cell, what will be the output?
True.
True. It should be true.
True. True.
The greater than equal to. If the value of the left operand is greater than or equal to the value of the right operand, the condition becomes true. So we see is A greater than or equal to B? A na 10 ni, B na 20 ni. Is A greater than or equal to B?
False.
False. When I run this, it should be false. So A not equal to B, A not equal to B. Less than or equal to, less than equal to. Is A less than or equal to B?
Amadi chumme amadi lane.
Anidi manungda amakak chumgra lore. Amabu chumbadi yare.
Adudi true.
True. Less than equal to if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of the right operand, the condition becomes true. Anisi manungda amabu chumbadi yare. Less than or equal to sumani, equal to or equal to sumani. So when I run this, this should be true. So this is a simple operation. The bitwise operation, bitwise operation, I think I can skip this. We can do it later if we want. Important idea. So the bitwise operation. Okay. Let us do Python logical operators. Logical operators. The following logical operators are supported by Python language. Assume A is a Boolean data type and it holds the value true. And the variable B is also a Boolean data type and it holds the value false. A is a true value yaure, B is a false value yaure. Operators and have the logical and logic circuit logic circuit and get or get not get tawdo adugi boolean algebra gi operator ahum do boolean algebra da yariba operator ahum logical and operator, logical or operator, logical not operator. The logical and operators if both the operands are true, then the condition becomes true. A and B, animax say true or magi answer to the condition will be true. Say A the true yaure, B the false yaure. So first let us assign true to A and false to B. Sign toxicity run tore. Sigi cells any run to matamda A the hape A the true value hapsale, B the false value hapsale. Already A and B. A and B. So logical and unico. So this is the Boolean and operator, not a logical and operator. A the Karyawi true yawi, B the Karyawi false yawi. Adudi A ga B ga gi N toradi output kaitarni. True ga false ga gi N toradi.
False.
False are.
False arni. This is like a logic get. This is like a logic get where A and B are the inputs and N is the logic get N. N logic get N logic get ni true have a 1 hydra, false have a 0 hydra. Aduna N logic get sigi input chi amana 1 or about amana 0 or about other output kari oini
0.
The output will be 0. That is false. So A
False.
and B, when I run this, it is false. Logic circuit N get to never. A B is an input never. True hagan 1 false hagan 0 never. Adugi logic to never. Season or have or has an or get to A or B. So the or record or logical or get. If any of the two operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. So this is A or B. A is true, B is false. So this is like the or get the input amana high or input amana low or what will be the output?
True.
High or near the true tarni got true tarni. Yareko. Additional not get the input is it true hydra? True hydra 1 have any one not high. So not A have not get key input high or so what will be the output? Not get key input high or the output katani.
B.
False.
True or false?
True.
Not A.
True.
Not A had it false.
Is it
A
true?
it true.
True not A had it not true. Not true.
False. False.
Not true.
False.
So this is the logic in not get to ni, logic or get to ni, logic and get to never. Operand in input to never. Okay, expression uneasy compared to now x equals 6. That is 6 high value is the x epsilon. Assign the value 6 to the variable x. Now here we have x greater than 5. Is it true or false?
False.
No,
True.
6 is greater than 5. That is true.
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 6 is greater than 9. Is it true or false?
False.
False. So true amaga false amaga n toradi kaitani.
False.
Yantai ko sigja. The answer will be false. Yarba. Siniko. Aduna sida x greater than 5 have a condition amale ko. This is true. X greater than 9 have a condition amale. This is false. Aduna true amaga false amaga logical n toradi the answer should be false. So sida mo yango x greater than 5. Sumbra?
True.
X is 6 niko. Adulagi x greater than 9.
False.
So true amaga false amaga or toradi kaitare.
True.
True tare ko. Amu true zigi not lorodi kaitare.
False tare.
False are. So the answer
Not
will
true.
be false. Not true had false. Yaradra.
Ocha.
Second tare ko.
Kanta.
Okay. So next let us look at the membership operator. Membership operator is yang asi. Python's membership operator tests for membership in a sequence such as strings, list, or tuples. There are two membership operators as explained below. Number one, the in operator evaluates to true if it finds a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. So for example, x in y here in results in a 1 or true if x is a member of sequence y. X haribasi y hariba sequence ki member of targati in hariba operator run to true ta never. Not in hajina in hajina yaubra hangba, not in hajina yaudabra hangba. Evaluates to true if it does not find a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. ID x not in y hariba sequence the x hariba members yaudabra hangiba. Here not in represents results in a 1 if x is not a member of sequence y. Example yang asi ko. So yang asi sida LST list and a list ama sida lai list ko no 1 2 3 4 adagi mathangi element na amuk another list ai ngara hai ke bido list haibasidi mangon da yariba element sing je list ki member harasu ai element harasu ai. They can be any type. Number or VI, string or VI, even another list or VI. So sigi list sig manungda 1 hariba integer yaure, 2 hariba integer yaure, 3 hariba integer yaure, 4 hariba integer yaure. Adagi 1 ga 2 ga sample list ama yaure. Yare ko. Next within bracket 1 2 3 1 2 3 hariba list say Sigi LST hariba list yaura basi 1 2 3 hariba list LST yaura. The answer will be false. Yung ko kaya na kan 1 yawi 2 yawi 3 yawi 4 yawi adagi 1 2 hariba list yawi 1 2 3 hariba list yaude ba so 1 2 3 hariba list so 1 2 3
1 2 hariba jisa 1 2 katang ibu list asise koina mamang da pigi statement description gi matung ina y ni na consider to natro sa
y is sigi list LST y is is na x sigi aina ani puzan given ever ko so let me cut it here aina sigi statement ani puzan given ever ko so the I'll enter toroge reverse the hap again siya mo ko si tungan toroge ba se LST 1 2 3 4 aduga comma 1 2 when list ama aina hana sare so let me run this so I have created a list and I have assigned it to the variable LST yarba adudagi next is check toreba 1 2 3 haiba list say LST yauraba so now when we look at this 1 2 3 haiba list na x ni LST is na y never yareko so 1 2 3 hariba list si LST de yaura yaude yauge hai tardi kamain tawani ai sida hapchalake 1 2 3 ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ 1, 2, 3 ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯔꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯦ so now ꯑꯩ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯁꯁꯦ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯥꯔꯦ lst ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦꯀꯣ so let me run this true ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯝꯃꯒꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯦꯀꯣ 1, 2, 3 ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯝꯃꯒꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦꯀꯣ so let me run this cell again ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯦ lst ꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ರೆ when I run this cell it will be false ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ next 3 ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ element ꯀꯣ lst ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯏꯀꯣ so 3 is a member of lst so when I run this it should give you true adagi 5 hariba number ji not in haiba yaudabra hanga lst hariba list da 5 hariba number ji it is not a member of lst true the answer should be true
true
1 is a member of lst true or false
true
it should be true adagi list 1 2 is a member of lst
yes
so when I run this it should give you true adagi list 1 have a lst yaubra list 1 yaubra integer 1 yawi list 1 yaude integer 1 yawi list 1 yaude so it should be false ko sigi idea sima gyan tare adagi string da uyangasi so let us create a string a b c d e f and then let us store it in the variable st so now st state a yaubra a b c d e f yaure a yaure so let me run this a is a member of st a yaure ko adagi f is not in st sumra lanbra
lale
if the yawi ko aduna if not in st man lale false tarni adagi 2 in range 4 haidi 0 1 2 3 natra aduri 2 ji yawi ko let me run this true the 4 in range 4 is it true or false
false
it should be false okay ko